In the thrilling realm of sports, sound plays a crucial role that often goes unnoticed. From the deafening roar of a crowd to the subtle clinks of equipment, each sound effect is meticulously designed. One audio engineer recalls creating the iconic sound of a basketball net rippling after a perfect shot, using a simple piece of fabric to mimic the real thing. Experts emphasize that these auditory components evoke emotions, making fans feel as if they're part of the action. Next time you cheer, listen closely. You'll hear the magic behind the moments that make sports unforgettable.